Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Krystal Nykole, and to jump right into this video, I'm going to go in and color correct using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color orange, and I'm just going to place that on the areas underneath my eyes and a few dark spots on the sides of my face, and I'm just going to make sure I have that well blended with my finger. And like I said, this helps to color correct those dark spots for us brown girls. And now that I have that blended, I'm going in with my Milk of Magnesia, and I'm just going to place that on my nose, and this helps with my oiliness and helps control that oil that I get throughout the day. Now I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance Press Powder, loose powder, and I'm going to go ahead and set that orange concealer there. That way it won't be so obvious through my foundation, and it won't take me a lot of foundation to cover those areas. It helps mute out everything pretty much. And once I have that blended in well, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. And I'm going to use this as my base for my eyeshadow. So I'm going to place that all over both of my lids. And I'm just going to go in with this very fluffy brush. And I'm just going to make sure that I have that well blended, because it will be the base for my foundation. Not my foundation, girl, bye. My eyeshadow. Slow down, Krystal. Slow down, boo. Y'all know what I meant. It's going to be the base for my eyeshadow. And then I'm going to make sure I go in and set that with my Beauty Bakerie setting powder, just to make sure that it does not move throughout the day. Next, I'm going in with my Colourpop eyeshadow palette that I put together myself. And I'm going to take this brown shade here and this Juvias Place brush, and I'm going to apply that shade in my crease area. And I'm going to really blend and build this eyeshadow up, because I'm not using a transition color, so to speak. I'm just going to place this directly into my crease, so it'll be my crease color pretty much. And so I just want it to be very intense. And so I'm just going to work that into my crease in windshield wiper motions. And my baby was getting ready to leave, so he gave me some sugar and gave my camera some sugar too. And so I'm just going to go back in and just make sure that I really blend that eyeshadow out. And now that I have that color blended, I'm going back in with my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm just going to pick up this brown shade here, and I'm just going to put that right on top of that color from the Colourpop palette that I have. I'm just going to place that same shade right on top of that using the exact same brush that I used earlier for that crease color. And this here will just really help to define my crease area and add a little definition to my crease as well. And that way it'll have the gradient effect to it. And so I'm just going to make sure that I work this back and forth, like right below my crease area. And I'm just building it into my crease area as well, but not so much to blend out my crease shade. Then with the same palette, I'm going in with this gold shade here, and I'm just going to place this all over my lid area. And I have the colors listed down below. I'm not sure what happened to my camera. I really don't know where I left off. Hopefully I have all the footage that I need for this look. So I'm just going to pick up where I left off. I put my lashes on. I powdered my face down with my NYX powder that I always use. And I contoured a little bit with my CoverGirl Queen bronzer that I use as well. And so now I'm going to go in and take care of the bottom line. And going in with that shade from my Colourpop palette that I used earlier, and also the shade from the Juvia's Place palette, the brown shade, I'm going to go in and put that on my lower lash line and make sure to smudge that out as well. And I want to make sure that I really smudge this color out at the bottom because I'm not going to use a liner for this look, but you most definitely can. And I'm going to take some Maybelline mascara and just apply that to my bottom lashes. And now I'm going in with my Coastal Scents blush in the color Passionate, and I'm just going to place that on the apples of my cheek to add some color to my face. And with my Wet n Wild highlight, I'm going to go in the inner corners of my eyes and place that there to open my eyes a little and just to add a little more color and shimmer to this eye look. Once I'm done, I'm going in with my MAC lipstick and my NYX pencil in the color Nutmeg. And this combo is gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And so I'm just going to go in with those two, and I'm just going to place that on my lips. And I really thought that this color combination would really tie this look together. And that is it for this look. And off camera, I sprayed my Fix Plus. And that was it. So don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Mwah. Hey guys, it's your girl Krystal Nykole, and today I am back with another look for you guys. I decided to do a glittery look today. I originally did this look for New Year's Eve, and I wanted to try it again. I'm not a big fan of glitter. It's very beautiful though, but I just don't like the fallout, the mess, and all that good stuff. But it's 2018, and I said, you know what? We're going to step outside of the comfort zone and we're going to try something different. And so I put together this look for you guys, and I really hope you enjoy it. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that link down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I love you guys so much and can't wait to see you in a future video. Mwah.